How to add new songs into Karma. Let's say we're going to a download site, and I'm just going to use karaoke version here as an example. I've already got an account with them, so if you purchase a song, it will go into your My Files account and where you can download them. Let's use one as an example here. Let's see, Journey. You can download the file. And it's going to ask us where we want to save it. Usually the desktop is the best place to save something because it'll be right there. Hit save. Now we can close the browser. Wait for this file to finish downloading. And it should appear right on the desktop. There it is, the new song. Now the thing to remember is you can't simply add this song as it is into the collection. It needs to be named properly. Now how are our songs named? And if your Karma is set up properly, you'll have all your media folders set up. The karaoke songs will be in a separate folder in a certain format. The key here is title format. The Baltimore format is used here in Baltimore. Let's look at our music collection and understand how that works. This is our music drive, our music folder. Let's look at MP3 music, for example. With regular MP3s, they're named in the artist title format, meaning the name of the artist, a separator, which consists of a space, a dash, and another space, and then the name of the song. Now let's go back and look at karaoke music. Remember we said these were set up in the Baltimore format. With karaoke you have a third element, a disc ID. The Baltimore format puts it in the title first, followed by separator, space, dash, space, the artist, another space, and then the disc ID. The disc ID cannot contain any spaces. Hence, you'll see some that just have the disc number, some have a disc number followed by a dash and a track number. It doesn't matter as long as there are no spaces anywhere in it. And it's crucial that there's a two-letter code to signify which version it is. SC for sound choice, for example, SF for Sunfly. And we'll see how that all fits together. Anyhow, so we've got this file we downloaded. Now this is a zip file. A zip file contains other files, and we need to get them out. It's not recommended keeping your files in zip format. Although most players, including Karma, will play them, there's a delay in playing them because they have to be unzipped before they can be played. So we will unzip them now. Now where are we going to put them? We need to unzip it, and then we need to rename it. So let's create a new folder just right here. What I'm doing here is I'm right-clicking on a blank area, hitting New Folder. Okay, we've got a new folder. Let's open it up. There's nothing in it. Now, if I double-click the zip file, there we can see the two files inside the zip file. Now, how do we get them out? Well, we highlight the files. You can drag a square around them. That's one easy way. Right-click, choose Copy. Go to the window where you want to place them. Right-click, and hit Paste. And there they are. Now we no longer need the zip file. In fact, we can throw it away. Now let's go back to our karaoke folder. Let's look how everything is named. Title, artist, disc ID. But there's no space dash in the Baltimore format. There is no space dash space between these two because there is no need for it. A space can signify enough because there are no spaces in the disc ID itself. So let's see how we would do that. Title, artist, disc ID. Well, here we've got the artist first. Now remember, with MP3 plus G files, you have two files, an MP3 and a CDG file. Let's name the MP3 first, and I'll show you why. We'll go in here. We can take, we know it's supposed to be title first, so we'll get rid of the artist there, move over, and type the artist here. Now, notice there is no two-letter abbreviation in front of the disc ID when we get something from karaoke version. Other sites may be the same way. For a karaoke version, I've given it a KV, so I'll type a capital K and capital V in front of the disk ID. Now there's our title, space dash space, artist space, disk ID. It's complete. Now, before we hit enter to confirm the change, we're actually going to copy this text. Highlight it, right click, hit copy. Now just click on the end, hit enter. The file has been renamed. Let's go to the second file, right click, rename, and then simply paste what we just wrote before. Enter. Done. Now we have both files properly named and ready to go into our music collection. How do we copy them? Same way we copy them out of the zip file. Highlight them, right click, copy, go to our music folder, and let's say we want to put it in here. Then we would right click on the folder we want to put it in, and this is the folder we want it to go in. Right click and hit paste, and it will put the files right in there. When you're finished adding files to your various folders or whatnot, you need to tell Karma they're there. The way to do this is to simply update the database. Run Karma, click Menu, Media, and click the Update Database button. This will completely wipe out the current database of songs, reread every folder, and hence picking up the new file as well as all the other existing files. If files were deleted, renamed, whatever, any changes that have been made will be rectified when you click the Update Database button. And that's it.